The National Skills Test is a computer-based assessment that serves as the entry gateway to programs at the Tata Indian Institute of Skills, ensuring a fair and merit-based admission process. In this video, you will understand how to register for the National Skills Test. Let's begin. To register, log on to tataiis.org. On the home page, select NST, then select Admission Process from the drop-down. You will be taken to the admission process page. After reading through the information, select Apply Now. Read the instructions carefully and select Close. Read the privacy notice and select I agree. Now you can start filling in the registration details. The fields those are marked with the red star are mandatory fields. After entering your mobile number and email address, select Generate OTP. You need to perform the CAPTCHA authentication by entering the CAPTCHA code displayed on your screen. If you have not received the OTP, you can resend the OTP using the Resend OTP button. Enter your OTP and select Validate OTP. Now, read the declaration carefully and select I agree checkbox. Once again, enter the characters shown in the image in the text box and select Re-verify. Here you are prompted to verify the information you have entered in the form. If the values are correct, check the boxes across the value to re-verify. If the information is incorrect, you can scroll up and change the information. Once the information is submitted here, it cannot be modified. Select OK if you have re-verified your information to move forward. You have registered successfully for the test. The pop-up displays your registration number. You should make a note of this registration number for future reference. You will also receive an email and a message containing the user ID. Select Proceed Further after reading your personal details and the declaration. Now, let's start filling out the details. Add your date of birth and gender under your personal details. Select your nationality and category under the category details. Now, let's add the addresses. Add your current address, permanent address, and schooling address. For all these addresses, you need to enter your address in 2 lines. Select the country, state, city or district, and postal code. Now, you need to add the qualification details. Select your highest qualification. Let's select ITI for this example. When you select your highest qualification, the programs that you're eligible for open under Program Details. You can select the program name from the drop-down. Based on the program, you will be prompted to select the course name from the course name drop-down. Select Save and Next to move forward. Now, you will be prompted to select the test city. Based on the addresses you provided earlier, here are the 3 options the system provides you with. Select your preferred campus from the Campus Selection drop-down and then select Save and Next. The next step is about the document and payment. Select Click here to upload to capture a photo of yourself. You need to capture your photo by clicking the Click here to capture photo button. This will open the camera on your device and you can capture your photo. You can add a referral code in the referral code text box. Based on your details, your payment details are shown here. Read all the declarations carefully and tick the declarations. You can preview your application using the Preview button. Add the CAPTCHA code present on the screen in the text box and select Submit. This will redirect you to the payment page. You can pay the fees using the UPI QR code or using your UPI ID or number. There is an option to pay with a card. You can pay using the net banking. And you can also pay using the wallet option from applications. Let's complete the payment by scanning the UPI QR code. Once you complete the payment, you will be redirected to the portal. Your application form is now successfully submitted. You can print your application or save your application as a PDF. Thank you for watching.